And once again, welcome to a fifth C programming tutorial. Now in this tutorial we're going to be building a simple calculator using the knowledge we got in the last tutorial about integers, variables, and how to scan them and print them out again. So I've made a little start bar so I don't need to type that in again, but let's get started. So we want to make an integer with number 1. And before I actually do that, I'm not gonna show you how to print it out simply. So let's say that you have a number, and just like the number is, and then call the function, and then num. Now let's see how that works. So compile and run. So you can see you can easily make your own numbers if you like. But for now we're going to be building a calculator, so we will scan the numbers and then make a last one called result. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove this line. Actually, we're basically going to make a print function, and we're gonna be like enter some numbers. And keep in mind this calculator can only plus um, you know, it cannot do anything else. It's very simple, but yeah, whatever. So we're gonna scan a function. We're gonna call the function, and that is number 1. Alright. Then we have another function that we're going to be scanning for, and this is we're going to be calling, or sorry, we're going to be calling number 2. Forgot to add, yeah. Alright, so here we have scanned the two functions. We're gonna go ahead and say like the result, and now come some new things. We can actually go ahead with a simple line and saying like, alright, so the integer result, that variable function thing, that's equals to, you know, the number we'll get is the same number as if we took number 1 and plus number 2. Alright, looks pretty enough, looks very simple. So we're going ahead and say print f again. I'm gonna add this, and just to prove it to you, you know, so I'm gonna make a printf function to prove it to you that it actually pluses the sum, the result is, and then we are going to call a function. We're going to be like, yeah, that's the result. Alright, so if we go ahead and try to run this, so you can see it says into some numbers. I'm like yada and yada, and you say it pluses it. That's pretty awesome actually. So what we can simply go ahead and do now is in the code we can actually just make a little bit, just one letter, change it and it will be fatal. So we can change this to minus actually. So if I'm like, yeah, you can see now it minuses. And that's pretty awesome. So thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed, and in the next tutorial we'll have about some more math functions.